Hello, my name is Justina Adeocho and I'm going to be showing you a quick way of inserting screenshots and images and screen clippings into Microsoft Word document without going through the hassle of an additional screenshot software. As educators, we constantly use images to enhance our pupils' learning experience, either in the study materials or in presentation materials or in worksheets. So this is an example of a worksheet I'm trying to create, and so I'm trying to insert a screenshot. So sometimes before now, people would actually have gone through the long process of going to get the image from the website or going to get the image from wherever it is, cropping it up or putting it in Paint, cropping and all of that. But there's a nice tool in Microsoft Word that makes that really, really easy. So you come to this tab, the Insert tab, click on that and you see this screenshot. When you click on that, you see all the available open windows. So it's important to know that state that all of the windows that you're going to need should be open. If you're going to, you need more than one window, they should be open when before you open your Word document. Okay, so any available window, it's actually going to screen grab that. I've got this PDF one open here, then two web pages open. So I'm going to go straight away to start with the PDF document. I just want to grab an image from that. When I click on this, what it does is that it screen grabs the whole PDF document. However, what I wanted was just this bit, and so it's not done that, or that's not what's done. Now I go back to that, click on that. What I want to do in this case now will be a screen clipping. Okay, so I'm going to click on that screen clip, and you see, wait for it to turn white before you do anything or get opaque sort of, and then you do that, and so that is it. So that was the specific part I wanted there in there. Okay. So now I want to do screen clipping. Is also important for you to know that at the moment, unfortunately, it's only the first window here that you can do screen clipping of. So if that's the window that you want to do screen clipping versus screenshotting, I'm sure you notice the difference. Screenshot grabs the whole thing, and screen clipping lets you take like pieces of the picture. Also, if for example, I wanted to do a screen clipping of this, it's not going to let me. So it's not available at the moment unless it was the first window open. So I'm just going to demonstrate that if I click on this, it's still going to open this same one, and which is not what I wanted. So if you want to screen clip and you have more than one window open, make sure that that window is the first window, or that is the only window open, as a matter of fact. So I'm going to close all the other windows and then do that using the website. You don't actually have to close the windows. All you have to do is just minimize them. That will be fine. So I've done that, minimized all those windows, and it's left me with one available window that I need. And so I can either do a screenshot of that, but I want more specific, so I want to grab little ones. Always remember to do that. I go back again, and now I want to take a screen clipping, just this tiny bit. Always make sure you wait for it to be opaque. So I've done this. I want to take this part. I don't have to do anything. Once I clip it, it's come back into Word. I want to take more clippings, as many as I want. If you're just demonstrating how you can take up several parts of that large image. Okay. So this is really fast, hassle-free way of including screencast, including images, in fact, into your Microsoft Word document. The tool is also available on Excel. And you go to the same tab, Insert, and there it is right there. And also on PowerPoint, same thing, come to the Insert tab, and there it is. So my version is 2010. It's in the newer versions, and I'm sure that I think it started from around 2010 version, this tool. Okay, so until next time, please keep trying, and I'm going to keep coming to you with nice videos and hacks on how to integrate technology or to support you to integrate technology better.